Could one simple daily habit help you live longer and feel better? Research says yes. Discover how herbal teas can boost vitality and support healthy aging starting today. As we grow older, health challenges can creep in, affecting everything from our energy levels to our independence. This often leads to higher healthcare costs and added stress. But there's good news. Herbal teas, packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, could help you stay healthier and more vibrant as you age. Just a polite reminder that this video is for educational purposes only, and that you should always consult your doctor before utilizing any natural cures. The science behind herbal teas and aging. Studies show that herbal teas are packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, key allies in fighting off the oxidative stress that accelerates aging. By sipping these teas regularly, you could see benefits for your heart, brain, and overall vitality. Want to know exactly which teas offer the biggest anti-aging bang for your buck? Let's dive in. Top herbal teas for longevity. Number 1. Green tea. Green tea, famous for its potent antioxidant EGCG, can help support heart health and manage weight. Plus, it may sharpen your focus for the day. For the best results, sip 2 to 3 cups in the morning or early afternoon. But keep in mind, it can interfere with certain medications, so always check with a healthcare provider if you have concerns. Ready for a quick tip? Try adding lemon or a touch of honey to make it even tastier. Number 2. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea isn't just a soothing bedtime drink, it's packed with antioxidants like apigenin that help you relax and improve sleep quality. Research also links it to reduced inflammation and even immune system support. For best results, enjoy up to 3 cups a day, with one about 45 minutes before bed. If you're on blood thinners or have allergies, check with a healthcare professional before sipping. Want to elevate the experience? Pair it with soft music or a brief meditation. Number 3. Hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea is a tart, refreshing option loaded with antioxidants called anthocyanins, great for helping to lower blood pressure and manage cholesterol. Enjoy up to 2 cups a day after meals to ease digestion. Just be aware, it can interact with certain medications like diuretics or aspirin. If you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or have surgery planned, you'll want to check with a healthcare professional first. Looking for a fun twist? Try it iced with a squeeze of lime for a healthy, zingy treat. If you find this content beneficial, kindly like, subscribe, and enable notifications for ongoing nutrition updates. And I'll put some links down below in the video description. Coming back now to number 4. Sage tea. Sage tea is a flavorful, earthy brew rich in rosmarinic acid, a potent antioxidant that helps combat inflammation. Some research even links sage tea to better memory and blood sugar control. Aim for 1 to 3 cups a day, usually an hour or 2 after meals. But if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, on certain meds, or have epilepsy, check with a pro before sipping. Give it a try with a dash of lemon or honey to balance its slightly peppery flavor. Number 5. Rooibos tea. Rooibos tea is a naturally sweet, caffeine-free option from South Africa, packed with antioxidants like aspalathin. It can support heart health by improving cholesterol levels and help manage blood sugar. You can sip 2 to 3 cups at any time, morning or night. Though it's generally safe, check with a healthcare provider if you have liver concerns. Want to switch things up? Try adding a splash of milk or a bit of honey to enjoy its unique, nutty flavor. Preparation. Tips. For the best flavor and health benefits, use fresh, high-quality herbs or tea leaves. Steep most teas for 3 to 5 minutes in hot, but not always boiling water. Different teas may require slightly different temperatures. Rather than piling on sugar, try natural flavor boosters like a slice of lemon or a drizzle of honey. This way, you get all the goodness without the extra calories. Frequently asked questions. Can I drink multiple types of herbal teas in a single day? Absolutely. Mixing different teas can provide a broader spectrum of antioxidants and flavors. Just keep an eye out for any unexpected reactions, especially if you're on medications. When in doubt, it's best to talk with a healthcare professional. Got more questions about mixing teas? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to help. If you're as fascinated by home remedies as I am, don't miss out. Tap the screen here to uncover natural solutions and helpful home tips. Thank you for joining us on this journey to best herbal teas. Embrace health, celebrate life.